Hey guys, all right, it is Thursday and I spent most of the day here working on the Cuda. Now, those are got to be cleaned, the back. Those are some of the old dash parts. There is the filler. Seats are in, they got to be cleaned. The wiring that's left on the floor is the radio. I have to put the radio in and get that all squared away. And then I'm going to work on that piece right there. And that's a pretty good looking car. She's getting there, dude. She's getting there. Dash is done. Engine's back in. I think I'm going to pull that fan off. I need to paint that fan. I don't like that. Give this underneath a refresher of it and have it ready to go. We also found the front end for this puppy. By the way, these wheels are for sale if anybody needs them, because we're not going to be using them, but we're going to put a whole new front end in. Motor is in, tranny is in, transmission cross member is made and in. We're ready to go here, guys. I think we will call this a day. And I'm going to go home. And then come Saturday, I'm going to come in and buff out the body one more time. Give it a good deep buffing. And we'll be ready to go. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.